Dear friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll talk about the difference between the verbs hear and listen. So let's get started. The verbs hear and listen are synonyms. However, we're using them for different purposes. So let's take a look at our example here. Max, can you hear or listen me? What would be the correct word to use in this case? So before we answer this question, let's take a look at the specifics of the usage of those verbs. So the first one, hear, is used to perceive with the ear the sound made by someone or something. For example, Max, can you hear me? David, did I tell you about my granddaughter's wedding? Speak louder. I don't hear well. I don't hear well. You will hear so much better with the help of this hearing aid. The second usage of the verb hear is to be informed of something. To be informed of something. Christina, I heard you were getting married. Congratulations, Eric. I heard you got promoted. Are there any changes as for our company's policy this year? So far, I haven't heard anything from our executive director. As for the verb listen, the first usage of this verb is to give one's attention to a sound on purpose. On purpose. Class, I need you to listen to me. Emily, could you please help me out with my project? I wasn't listening to the presentation. My doctor advised me to listen to calm music during my pregnancy. We love to listen to the radio while driving. The second way of how do we use the form listen is to be alert in order to catch an unexpected sound. For example, we were trying to listen to their conversation, but we couldn't hear them. The doctor listened to the heartbeat. We should listen to each other's opinions in order to improve our project. Thank you so much for being with us today. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members and to follow us on the social media, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.